When it comes to building software, there are different ways to think about solving problems. Today, we'll explore two of these ways: object-oriented programming, or OOP, and functional thinking. What is object-oriented programming? In object-oriented programming, we think about the world in terms of objects, things that have both data and actions bundled together. Imagine an online shopping cart. In OOP, the cart is an object. It knows what items are in it, and it knows how to add more items or calculate the total price. You can tell this cart object to add item or calculate total, and it takes care of everything for you. The data, like items and prices, and the actions, like adding or calculating, are all handled inside the cart. What is functional thinking? Functional thinking takes a different approach. Instead of bundling data and actions together, it separates them. Let's look at the same shopping cart example, but with functional thinking. Here, instead of a cart object that does everything, we have functions like add item, remove item, calculate total, and apply discount. These functions take data as input and give you new data as output. Key differences. Object-oriented programming focuses on how to do things, while functional thinking focuses on what you want to achieve. In OOP, objects are like boxes that handle both your data and actions. They can change the data inside them directly. In functional thinking, functions are like tools that work on data without changing the original. They take input, process it, and give you new data. Let's walk through a shopping journey and see these two approaches in action. You start by searching for a product. In object-oriented programming, the search happens inside the product database object. In functional thinking, a search function takes your input and returns a list of matching products. Next, you view the product and add it to your cart. In object-oriented programming, the cart object updates itself with the new item. In functional thinking, an add item function creates a new list that includes your new item. Finally, you proceed to checkout. In object-oriented programming, the cart object calculates the total, processes payment, and updates its state. In functional thinking, separate functions handle calculating the total, processing payment, and confirming the order, each creating new data as needed. Conclusion: both object-oriented programming and functional thinking have their strengths. OOP is great when you need objects that manage their own behavior, like when you want something to keep track of its own state. Functional thinking shines when you want clear, predictable results that are easy to test and combine, like when you want to transform data step by step. Understanding these two approaches helps you choose the right tool for the job, and sometimes combining both can lead to the best solution. Whether you're adding items to a shopping cart or building the next big app, knowing when to think in objects or functions will help you build better software. Thank you for watching!